How to record audio in Instagram Edits app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Edits app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to record the audio, here on this home screen at the bottom right corner, you can see the record icon. Tap on it. It'll open up the camera from your phone. Now, here's the thing. You don't have the options only to record the audio over here. So if you want to record any audio, you'll have to record the video. Later on, you can extract the audio from that video. Let me show you how you can do that. First of all, record a video from here. After you record the video, you can come back over here again. And here you can see the music icon. Tap on it. Now in the top right corner, you can see the import option. Tap on it. You can select the video whose audio that you want to extract. Once you select the video, tap on this check mark. Now the audio is being imported out of that video. You can select which part you want to use. It will ask for your permission in order to allow your access. And there you go. Once you select your preferred part, you can select this done button. So that's how you can easily record audio using the video in Instagram Edits app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.